You know, there are some days in the shop where you just need a motivational project, an easy win that you can complete all in one day, start to finish. Something that you can check off and motivate that maker mojo. I like to call those one-day win. Let's go.
One-day win!
Okay, for today's one-day win, I've got a buddy of mine that does leatherworking, and he reached out and asked if I could refinish this hammer for him. He doesn't like the feel of the handle. He doesn't like how the color, he doesn't like the texture, and asked me if I would use my considerable woodworking knowledge, if I could strip it down, sand it, and put a darker stain on it. I said, absolutely, I'll be more than happy to. I don't even know if I'm using this correctly. I don't do leatherworking. He does. His Skyroad journals, you can check him out. I'll put his Instagram down in the link below. Let's get started finishing this hammer. Let's go. Now that's a win.